So it has, looks like at the very top, the mount, TV stand, and then some styrofoam. Oh, there's some other stuff down here. There's the remote. No, not the remote. There's the power cord for it, and there is the TV underneath in all its glory. And it is thin. It is really thin. This is the stand, and it is substantially heavy, guys. So, I mean, I would hope it would be, but it is super heavy. This is part of the stand that goes to it. And power cable, some instructions, and a quick start guide, or quick setup guide. So those are things that I saw inside the box. But yeah, guys, this stand for the 65 inches is really, really heavy. We're going to try to hang this up on the wall. But yeah, let's go. I have the Samsung QN90A in 65 inches, and I've had it for a little while, and it is a pretty good TV. I've enjoyed it so far. We've been watching lots of movies, have it in the bedroom, and it's, you know, overall, I think it's a great TV. It's very, very bright, and, you know, very, very, there's a lot of contrast. There's lots of, you know, good quality to the TV. The way it's built, it's very slim. As you can see from this angle, it is extremely thin. So, you know, if you are trying to wall mount this bad boy, it is good to go. It's right up against the wall. This is not even with the flush mount, of course. But yeah, I mean, overall, I think it's a solid TV. So Samsung currently has a QN90A 65 inch for $16.99 on Black Friday. So overall, I think it's just it's a good look. If you're looking for a gaming TV, I mean, it can do it all pretty much. It's, you know, it's got the Tizen software, and I think Tizen is pretty solid. Pretty solid for what it does as far as bringing, you know, movies and, you know, YouTube and whatnot to the table. Plenty of apps that you have. HBO's included in this. So you just have all these options of, you know, TV and movies that you can watch. We've watched a ton of stuff on Disney. The colors really do pop. The contrast ratio, I would have to say, is not as good as OLED, of course. I do notice, you know, the difference, but the brightness of this TV is amazing. I'm thinking it's getting upwards of over 1,500 nits for sure in movies. And so with that, I mean, you're getting plenty of brightness. Like at night, if you're watching movies at night, you're definitely going to have to turn this brightness of this TV down for sure. It will sear your eyes. It is that bright. It literally lit up our whole bedroom, because, I mean, we didn't even need the light on the ceiling because it's that bright. It's ridiculous. So, but yeah, overall, great TV. We played Spider-Man on it. I had my PS5 hooked up to it and really enjoyed it. So just wanted to kind of get my thoughts for the QN90A. I know a lot of you guys are looking to purchase this TV for 2021. And, you know, just wanted to let you guys know, like, I'm not a real, you know, big, you know, TV connoisseur or somebody that's real intricate. But I just wanted to give you guys an everyday feel and everyday vibe of what this TV is bringing to the table. It's a great TV. I mean, for $1,700 for 65 inch, it's a great TV. If you get the 85 inch or 75 inch, kudos to you. I mean, it's a great TV, especially for a brightly lit room. So I mean, you're getting a pretty good deal. It's got the mini LED backlighting, which really does help with contrast for an LED TV. It's not self-emissive like OLED, but it does give off a very bright image, even though it's backlit. And the contrast is very good. One of the best. This is definitely one of the best LED TVs to purchase for sure. That's not sugarcoating it. It is. And the only thing that I noticed that this TV didn't really offer was the what's it called? It did not offer Dolby Vision, which I like over HDR10. I do have an OLED CX, LG CX, and I can tell the difference between HDR10 and HDR10 Plus versus Dolby Vision. Dolby Vision to me looks, you know, it looks better. And so that's one thing. And then the other thing that kind of not ticked me off, but just the fact that you know, this is one of their higher end TVs, is the fact that they don't have 4 HDMI 2.1s. But other than that, the TV is immaculate. It's built very well. You know, it does have a little bit of blooming here and there, very minute, but it's there. But it's just, I mean, it's this is the best that LED has ever come close to, for sure. I mean, you have the Sony Z9Ds and Z9Gs and all these other higher end, you know, whatever TVs from Sony that have better motion. But as for brightness, I mean, this TV is kicking butt all over the place. It's kicking butt, taking names. But yeah, I mean, this is definitely one of the top tier LEDs, if not one of the best. It just doesn't have the features. It's not feature rich as some of the other options that are out there, like you know, what LG is bringing to the table with 4 HDMI 2.1s and some of their stuff, and then you know, Sony's motion. But other than that, man, and no Dolby Vision. But other than that, this TV is definitely a winner. But yeah, that's just a quick rundown of kind of my thoughts on this TV. This is, again, the Samsung Q90A, and 65 inch with 792 local dimming zones mini LED for the year 2021. If you guys have any questions, comments, please like and subscribe. Game on.